Hey Nick, what are you doing?
Oh man, got called out for rodent repair. Man, critters are trying to get inside, they're trying to burrow in, they're trying to get all warm. We're getting their ass out and we're doing this repair right now.
Love it.
So here, first thing we want to do is remove the ridge vent that has been torn up by the critter. Each ridge vent has 5 nails coming across on each side of the ridge vent. So yeah, we're just going to start prying them all up. The first one's already taken off. We're starting on to the next one. So once we get all the shingles off and the ridge vent, we're going to start cutting these up into pieces accordingly all the way through. You see here how the nail is above the shingle? That's already could cause a leak coming from straight in through the slot of the decking, about 3 inch wide. This is how the ridge vent does ventilate, but this can cause leaks. And so that is an improper installment, but we'll take that little sucker out. Now since we got the ridge vent set, we did have to seal it up a little bit since we had to do some measurements. It didn't flush all the way across, so we cut about 1 foot off of another ridge vent system. So we did seal that up all nice and good. We got a couple nails already in place just because it's a little windy, just to give me a nice set and hold. So yeah, I'm just gonna start from the other side, other top. Can't have ridge vent without your ridge cap. They don't call me Frisbee Dan for nothing.
Alright, here we are. We're all finished up. Go replace this one because we cracked it. Trying to get underneath it. There's the Craftsman right there. Pretty simple. Short and sweet. Took us about 40 minutes. No big deal.
So as you can see, this is the finished product we have here. We did about 6 feet of ridge vent and then about 8 of the actual ridge cap shingles. This is a GAF Royal Sovereign Weatherwood shingle. We are preferred installers with them. I think it's a great looking shingle. This is a 3-tab, as you can see around me. But man, we would love to take care of you. If any repairs, any roofing issues that you have, give us a call. We do free inspections around the area. Take a look at our website, hdroofingandrepairs.com. We'd love to take care of you, and thanks for watching.